Tripartite talk comprising of Government of India, Government of Manipur and United Naga Council UNC over the rollback of newly created districts in Manipur resumed today at Conference Hall of Mini Secretariat in Senapati district. A 10-member team of UNC, Security Advisor Northeast A.K. Mishra and Commissioner Home Government of Manipur attended the meeting, which reportedly started from 10 a.m. this morning. The details of what transpire and what resolutions were taken could not be confirmed at the time of filing this report. This was second talk after the first round of meeting was held in New Delhi in October this year. Remember viewers, United Naga Council has been demanding the rollback of the creation of 7 new districts in the state. Kangpokpi, None, Ferjol, Kakching, Kamjong and Technopal were created in 2016. UNC has been opposing the creation of these districts and has been demanding for the rollback of these districts.